It is the end of February. Quick check-in. I have hot pit in a couple days, so I've been here at Drift Cave revisiting the Z, which has been nesting since the end of December, just making sure everything is good to go for the competition. And I have Sherry here just doing a couple of things to the car while we get ready to go. Tyson is in town because he's finished preparing all the wiring harness and we're getting into the install in the S14. So we have a whole new front end. It's almost finished. Engine here while they drill some holes and weld in some ground nuts and all of that stuff. Tyson's going to be here for about 4 to 5 days, so in that amount of time after I've completed a hot pit, I'll come back. We'll talk about the finished product, but for now we have a lot of stuff from Link. Some really cool button pads that I'm very excited for. Let's see how far he's actually gotten inside the car. So we see wiring starting to come in here. Classic Tyson. Everything is labeled, everything quick disconnects. It's all modular, which I am a big fan of. One of the PDMs in here that he's programmed. They're gonna go right where these little Link cardboards are. Yeah, I'm super excited. At the end of this week, hopefully we'll have a car that is almost ready to start. We're waiting on a couple of parts that are coming from overseas, but we should be able to at least power cycle it, test everything, and be in the zone. Very excited.